complaints about agriculture equipment, machinery, heavy vehicles, and automobiles, cars, trucks, and commercial vehicles of Mahindra and Mahindra, M&M, such as car insurance, spare parts, roadside assistance, and care service maintenance, including dealership, warranty, service, bookings, cancellations, refunds, finance, and vehicle support. Follow these steps and use the provided helplines and contact details of M&M. Mahindra and Mahindra customer support. Customer care number. Call the toll-free number 1-800-209-6006 or 1-800-10-27006. M&M RSA personnel. For issues related to commercial vehicles, call to 1-800-419-0848 or 1-800-210-0700. Tractor. WhatsApp. Message on +917208071495 or +919920703703 for tractor. Email. Send an email to customercare@mahindra.com. If you have complaints or queries about dealership services, email to M&M Dealer Support at development.channel@mahindra.com. As a customer, you can also contact your dealer for vehicle services. Steps to file an online complaint. Visit the M&M's official website, mahindra.com. Navigate to the Contact Us page. Fill out the online complaint form with necessary details including model number, registration ID, and vehicle issue. Submit the form. Finally, note the reference number provided for tracking and further escalation. You can also use the With You Hamesha.com portal of M&M to make your complaint with executives or get help regarding vehicle services. Escalate to regional manager. If your submitted complaint is not resolved to your satisfaction within 1 working day from the dealer or M&M customer care, escalate your complaint to the regional customer care manager, RCCM, at the regional office of Mahindra and Mahindra. You can contact 16 RCCM regional offices in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Cochin, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Patna, and Pune. Escalation to Head of Customer Experience. If you are not satisfied with the final response of the regional customer care manager and customer support team, escalate to the Head of Customer Experience at M&M Head Office. You can write a complaint letter including the reference ticket ID of the previous complaint and send it to the head office at phone number 1-800-209-6006 +912228849052, tech. Fax 022284685223. Email executive@mahindra.com, customercare@mahindra.com. Address Executive Director, Head of Customer Experience, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited Automotive Sector, Mahindra Towers, Akulli Road, Kandivali, East, Mumbai 400101. If you are dissatisfied with the final resolution or your consumer rights are violated, you may approach the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, or file a formal consumer complaint to the State District Consumer Commission. Tips. For vehicle insurance disputes, you may complain to the respective insurance company and further to the insurance ombudsman. Still, have questions? Ask by replying to us. We will help you.